Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. So we just get the call from Kafo, and the delivery guys are at the location family. So we want to go and make and actually receive the items for our Jamaican sister family. So, you know, I'm at the car waiting for Miss Jam Tours. And while I was actually reading the comments yesterday, I see where somebody said I should open the door for Miss Jam Tours. So I'm waiting for her. I want to see her reaction when I open the door, family. So, as you guys know, guys, I normally open the door for Miss Jam Tours. And when we used to take Uber, she never used to have to touch the door, family. But because in our family, this thing is not working, so I have to come around. And by the time I have to come around, Miss Jam Tour sometimes is at the door. And then I'll sit in the car making the video and Miss Jam Tour is coming. So I can't worry to get out. But now that she's pregnant, family, I think it's very important. And I thank the subscriber for this comment, because now I start to think about it and realize that I have to come around now and stand at the door and wait for her to open the door for her family. So I'm waiting for Miss Jam Tours to come, and I'll open the door for her, and I want to see her reaction, family, doing that for her. So I'm just waiting and waiting for her to come, family. So normally I would actually sit in the car and finish up the video and stuff, but now I have to open the car, come around to the passenger side, and actually wait for Miss Jam Tours to come. So family, I'm just waiting while we go and pick up, get these things inside the house for our Jamaican sister. So that is it, family. So, you know what I mean, when you come to Africa, Jam Tours, especially Kenya, Jam Tours is here. If you come to Ghana, we're still there to help. So just let us know where you're at in family. Let us know. I'm thinking about creating a new YouTube channel as soon as we build this community, this Jamaican community in Africa. You know, we'll create a new YouTube channel. I will call it We Are Jamaicans Living in Africa. So, you know, that's the ultimate dream and goal, family, is to actually showcase the experience of Jamaicans living in Africa, family. So, as you know, we are here, we are paying it forward, and I'm just here waiting for Miss Jam Tours to come to see her reaction when I open the door, what she will say, family. So we're just waiting and seeing and waiting for Miss Jam Tours. I normally come out before her, and and here, family. So she's coming. That's Miss Jam Tours. That's Miss Jam Tours. So as I said, guys, so we walk that side, and we have to step up. Yeah. We have to step up, family.
Thank you. Asante.
Karibu sana. Yeah, family. So as you can see, that is that, and that is it. Miss Jam Tours. So Miss Jam Tours, how you feel?
About everything.
Now open the door for you.
Oh, it feels nice. It feels nice. Because with my condition and opening the door and closing it.
Yeah.
It's quite a challenge.
Okay.
But I'm glad you've done it.
So what are the channels when you open the door?
Now, I wish I would have illustrated. So opening is fine for me.
Yeah.
I'll just open. But now closing it.
Let me see what challenge for you. So when you open it and come in, that's like fine.
Yeah. But now when I come to close, I have to
go like that.
I have to step out a little
and then
sleep and lay on my tummy. And close. Then go back.
Okay. Yeah, so as I was saying to you, that is a subscriber comment yesterday and say that, and I have to say to myself that, you know what I mean, I have to be doing this and not so much focus on making the video and stuff, family. So I thank you for that comment. You know what I mean, each one teach one. And when you make a video, your subscribers see what you're not seeing, and when they say to you, you should actually learn and actually, because that's how you grow and improve and stuff. So if you make a video and you say something and somebody say, oh, you're supposed to brain's supposed to be clicking and thinking and saying, oh, he's telling the truth. Next time I'll do that. Next time I'll do this different. Next time I'll whatever. So, you know what I mean? That is it, and that is just that.
With the correction, you shouldn't feel offended.
You shouldn't feel offended because that's how you're gonna grow. Like, you know what I mean? The subscribers are seeing, you know what I mean, what you're not seeing.
But we always did it. Just that I noticed some change when we got our own car.
Yeah.
Now because
when I used to take Uber, I always used to do it. You
always used to do it. I think this is the only time I feel like I'm really opening the door for myself. But
and the reason for that,
I'm not really seeing it so hard, but yeah.
And the reason for that, as I was saying, that because the key thing not working, so automatically, so I have to come round, and then by the time I have to go back round, you're already at the door, so you just open it.
Especially because of where we are living right now. You know, where we used to live was kind of so I feel like the car maybe is
it only works out freezing in the morning.
But once the sun is out, it's whatever in the
the automatic lock is working, family.
Yeah, the automatic lock is working.
Yeah.
But right now, when you go to open and I'm here, so I just open it for myself. But closing was the challenge.
Okay. Closing of the channel. All right, family. All right, guys. So let's go and pick up these stuff.
Let's run.
You know, get these things because Kafo called us, and we actually missed the call. And if we miss this call, then we have to wait another day because we are not the only one that delivering for family.
And you've forgotten a lot of things.
What?
I don't know.
What I forget?
I tell you.
Yeah.
You'll go back for it.
What?
Your phone.
Guy. See, you not pick it up for me?
No.
Alright, let's go.
I decided to leave it because I didn't know whether you wanted to be hurt.
Guy, sweetie.
I got you. And I wanted to go like that, and then you start looking for your phone. I would have laughed at you. So I've brought it. I also forgotten earrings, but it's not really an issue.
Yeah, because this is urgent.
Let's run. It's very urgent because they've just called like...
Yeah. Alright, family. Let's go. so we're actually at the location now. Miss Jam Tours is the administrative. So we're gonna come out now. I think they said them here already, right? So let's come out, family, and get these things inside the house for our Jamaican system. So
Jamaican
let's go.
CC.
Let's go. Let's go. They're there. Oh, they're not coming in. Yeah, family. So that's the truck. So let's go. Yeah. Morning.
Morning.
Yeah.
Yes.
Power.
Okay.
Power. Yeah. All right, family. So yeah, let's go and open up Miss Jam Tours. Open, yeah. Yeah, well, let's go and open up. We'll tell them. Let's put them in. Let's put them in at the transport because we have transport. Yeah. Yeah. All right, family. Let's go. First floor. Yeah, first floor. Yeah, just right. That's it. Yeah. So it's really.
Items are here, very
Yeah. I'm sure this is not the first time you guys doing this. This is a big fridge. I'll help you guys, don't worry. Yeah, Jam Tour's gonna go help them now, family. Let's go. Yeah, family, we might have a little challenge because here so it's very small. And look at the fridge, it's very big. What they say, they will actually let it fit. You feel it can fit, sweetie? I doubt it can fit. So I think they'll have to come and take down this thing and then, okay. No, but they can lift it over. They can lift it over. Yeah, and lift it over. It won't spoil, sweetie. If you have 3 men lift it over, it won't spoil. I don't think it will fit, sweetie. I don't think it will fit. But family, well, let's wait and see. Alright?
Or she'll have to put it here outside.
Well, you can go there too.
But it will spoil
The living room will get small. Alright, family, let's see. Waiting for a few more things. Let's wait and see. Machine. But our intuition is telling me that I don't think this thing can fit out pass through this door, this machine. But I not even feel machine outside video that normally, well, I guess, yeah, with all the dust and thing. But alright, guys, we'll see. Let's wait and see. This one go through very nice. Well, I think if that fits with it, that can fit.
Yeah.
It will fit. If that fit, this can fit. When the plumber come to install, yeah, we can't leave it outside. That is
Yeah,
cool.
it is. Well, kuka na fridge tumeza but that one tutaileta tu hapa close alafu tutaitoa nje. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe we can pack out this first, like
Yeah,
before we
can
get-
top of this.
yeah.
And
Alright, family, let's pack these things out, and I hope you like, share and comment on the video. Let us know your thoughts. We are out. We only have the mattress and bed to be delivered now. Hope you enjoyed this vlog, and if you're looking to come into Kenya, Jam Tours is here to help. We are here to help. I'm here to pay it forward. We are out. Let's go. One love. God bless Jamaica. Doing this video. video is very important. If anything happens, you can have it on camera. So, it's good. Make sure that everything is good and dark. Will fit in gram towards the same intuition. Intuition. Yeah. Narrow escape. Narrow escape. Will fit. Narrow escape. Narrow escape.
I was seeing the box.
Narrow escape. Let's see this free check out the entire kitchen. You see that? Kitchen gets small. Yeah? Yeah, to lean it there to the kind. Yeah. It's only one socket. Oh yeah. Get more space. Yeah. Turn the light on. I like how it's easy to move, sweetie. No, it's not gonna work. Well, I guess I thought to do up this piece, but it's fine. Yeah. It's better. Because it's on that side anyways. It's open on that side. Just come out to test it to see if it's working. So, I think you should wait a little while for the fridge before you test it.
Okay.
So I guess that's it. She can just unlock that, so that's nothing to.
She can do it.
Oh, well, I guess let them unlock it and see, so we make sure so everything is fine. Because you know, sometimes the manufacturer might give you a bad product. There's a piece on there and so. You have to turn it around. This kind of make the space small, just so no. Small. Yeah? Inside. Oh, it's open on this side. Oh, yeah. Turn that around. Turn it around and push it back in. So everything is intact here, right? Everything is intact. Everything is intact. Let's open this one now and see. Let's open this one. Washing machine and see. Everything looks good. That's good. Yeah. think it's the right thing. Things intact. Here comes the Miss Jamto is checking to make sure everything.
Yeah.
There is no scratches, so they can just return if there is any scratches and any bumps and any dents. What's that? Oh, that's the box. Everything is in place, right? Okay. This is the washing machine. Yeah, man, it's fine. Yeah. It's fine. It's fine. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, family. So as you can see, everything is up and running. Everything is spanking clean. So check to make sure everything is intact. Yeah, family. So like, share, and comment on the video. We are out. Jump to us. We are here for you.
5914.
Yeah, family. So the delivery guy said he can do the installation for the washing machine. So we take his number so we can get delivery the installation done by him, because he should be a professional, because this is what we do all the time and every day for customers. So they will come and do the installation when they're ready. Alright. So we'll make them do the installations with you, right? Yeah, other than calling a plumber who maybe never installed a washing machine before. Yeah, so him know how to, I think him do this all the time for customers, so I think he's the best person to do it. Alright, family, so we are out. When she comes, she'll decide. But I think she maybe put them up safe, because let's say she moving out and thing. Just drop them back in it and move. Even though the space is small, sure maybe they have a storeroom here or something. You can organize, put them there.
Maybe we can pick up something.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm glad the fridge is fitted here.
Yeah, you was like thinking.
Well, I'm not sure of the arrangement, how she wants
Oh, she wants it, but
has.
yeah.
No, but I thought it's opening this way. So.
Yeah.
No, that it's opening this way.
Yeah.
But I think it's better like this, so that you know you're cooking here. Because when it's here, I feel like it's kind of.
Yeah. I'm give her a call, see if she's online.
Oh yeah, so that things are in.
Alright, family, like, share, and comment on the video. Let us know your thoughts. We are out. One love, Wbesite. We are out. Jam Tours Africa, we are here for you.